A new chapter in defense cooperation has begun with Bangladesh and Russia's MiG-29 deal. On May 14, 2025, both nations signed an agreement focusing on the repair and maintenance of Bangladesh's MiG-29 fighter jets. This deal is significant for both countries as it strengthens their existing defense ties and reflects Bangladesh's commitment to maintaining a strong and capable air force. Russia has long been a partner for Bangladesh in defense matters, and this new agreement builds on a history of cooperation, highlighting the trust and understanding between the two nations. The deal zeroes in on a critical aspect of Bangladesh's defense capabilities, maintaining its fleet of MiG-29 aircraft. The MiG-29 is a powerful and versatile fighter jet, forming a key part of Bangladesh's air defense strategy. By ensuring these jets are in top condition, Bangladesh enhances its ability to defend its airspace and contributes to regional stability in South Asia. This agreement marks a new chapter in Bangladesh-Russia relations, demonstrating the enduring partnership between these two countries. It underscores the importance of defense cooperation in a complex and evolving geopolitical landscape, with the potential to shape security dynamics in South Asia for years to come. The MiG-29, often called Fulcrum by NATO, is a twin-engine fighter jet developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Entering service in the 1980s, it quickly gained a reputation for its maneuverability, speed, and firepower. Bangladesh acquired its fleet of MiG-29s in the late 1990s, enhancing the Bangladesh Air Force's capabilities. These jets provide a modern air defense platform capable of intercepting enemy aircraft and conducting air-to-ground missions. Equipped with air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and a 30mm cannon, the MiG-29 boasts an advanced radar system for long-range target detection and tracking. Upgrades ensure they remain relevant in an evolving threat environment. The recent agreement with Russia for repair and maintenance is essential for keeping these aircraft operational. The MiG-29 repair and maintenance agreement provides several key benefits for Bangladesh. First, it ensures the continued operational readiness of a crucial part of its air force. As mentioned earlier, the MiG-29 is a key element in Bangladesh's air defense strategy, and keeping these jets in top condition is vital for protecting Bangladesh's airspace. Second, the agreement reduces Bangladesh's reliance on other countries for maintenance and spare parts. While Bangladesh has diversified its defense partnerships, Russia remains a key supplier. This agreement strengthens that partnership and ensures a reliable source of support for these aircraft. Third, the deal is likely to be cost-effective for Bangladesh. Russia has a long history of providing military hardware and support at competitive prices. By working directly with Russia, Bangladesh can potentially secure favorable terms and reduce maintenance costs over the long term. Finally, this agreement goes beyond just the technical aspects of aircraft maintenance. It also includes training for Bangladesh Air Force personnel, enhancing their skills and knowledge in maintaining and operating the MiG-29. This knowledge transfer is invaluable and will have long-term benefits for Bangladesh's Air Force. Section 4. Strategic Significance. Deepening ties and regional dynamics. The MiG-29 deal carries significant strategic weight. It signifies a deepening of ties between Bangladesh and Russia. Bangladesh maintains a non-aligned foreign policy but fosters strong defense relations with Russia. This agreement solidifies that partnership. The deal impacts the balance of power in South Asia. Bangladesh aims to safeguard its security and maintain a credible deterrent posture. The agreement highlights Russia's influence in South Asia. Russia remains a significant player in the region's defense market. The deal is closely watched by India and China. Bangladesh's decision adds complexity to South Asia's geopolitical dynamics. The future of Bangladesh-Russia defense cooperation. The MiG-29 agreement paves the way for continued defense cooperation. This deal will likely lead to further collaboration in areas of mutual interest, including new military hardware, joint exercises, and expertise sharing in counter-terrorism and cybersecurity. Bangladesh has been modernizing its armed forces, focusing on diversifying its sources of equipment and training. While Russia remains an important partner, Bangladesh also engages with China, the United States, and Turkey. This reflects Bangladesh's commitment to a balanced and independent foreign policy, avoiding excessive reliance on any single country, ensuring it can defend its interests and contribute to regional stability. The MiG-29 agreement is a significant development. It underscores the enduring partnership in the defense sector. Observing how this shapes future collaborations and impacts South Asia's geopolitical landscape.